Welcome back to NG Auto Review, your go-to source for in-depth car reviews. Today we're diving into the ultra-luxurious and performance-packed 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge. This is Rolls-Royce's first all-electric coupe, and with the Black Badge treatment, it takes exclusivity, power, and craftsmanship to a whole new level. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the Spectre Black Badge commands attention with its bold and aggressive styling. It maintains the signature Rolls-Royce design language with the iconic Pantheon grille, but here, it's darker and more menacing thanks to the high-gloss black chrome finish. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem is also finished in black, adding to its stealthy appearance. The LED laser headlights are sleek and futuristic, while the aerodynamically sculpted body gives the Spectre an elegant yet imposing stance. Massive 23-inch wheels with a unique carbon fiber weave design complete the Black Badge look, ensuring this coupe stands out in any setting. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an atmosphere of pure luxury and innovation. Rolls-Royce continues to push the boundaries with the most refined materials and cutting-edge technology. The Starlight headliner now extends to the doors, featuring over 5,500 tiny LEDs that create a mesmerizing celestial effect. The Black Badge treatment brings darker tones, carbon fiber inlays, and intricate detailing across the dashboard and center console. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather with custom embroidery and contrast piping available to match the owner's specifications. The digital instrument cluster is seamlessly integrated with the infotainment system, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience, while the bespoke audio system delivers an unmatched listening experience. Under the hood, or rather beneath the chassis, the Spectre Black Badge is powered by a dual-motor electric drivetrain producing 650 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. This allows the 3-ton coupe to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds, a staggering feat for a car of this size and luxury. The adaptive air suspension ensures a signature Rolls-Royce magic carpet ride, while the refined chassis dynamics offer an engaging driving experience, especially in sport mode. The estimated range is around 300 miles per charge, making it practical for long journeys while maintaining silent, effortless power delivery. Pricing for the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge starts at approximately $500,000. But with Rolls-Royce's extensive customization options, most buyers will easily push that well beyond $600,000. This is the epitome of electric luxury, blending tradition with innovation like no other car. Thanks for watching NG Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive car reviews. See you in the next one.